So I just wanted to show everybody kind of what I was up against. Look at this. This is what I gotta start my garden in. Look at this. This is dirt, which is dead topsoil basically. So I inherited these old spice jars from this house, and I think they're way too old to be valuable or good tasting or hold any kind of flavor or anything, so I'm going to add it to my compost. So that's going to be part of my tip, is always look for ways to beef up your compost by adding variety. These are basil leaves. We'll throw that right in there, and then I'm going to grow basil and dry them out and put them back in these jars. When you first buy a fruit tree, a lot of times they'll come with little bits of fruit already growing. It can be kind of deceiving to you, because you would think that, hey, that's already got fruit growing, it'd be a good one to put in. You don't necessarily want to do that, because when you first put in your fruit tree, you want all the energy to go into it spreading roots. You don't want it to be all balled up right there. You want it to shoot its roots out. If it's concentrating on growing fruit, it's not going to do that as well. So my tip is to, if you have new fruit trees and you see little fruits growing on them, it's not that you can't use them. You just want to prune them off and have the plant send the energy into the root, not into growing fruit. Alright, bonus tip. When you have containers that you're not using, cover them with a mulch. Whether it's wood chips, whether it's hay, whether it's something, always cover them. And the reason why is because you want to protect all the microorganisms. You don't want it to all dry out completely and kill everything and just be all bone dry. So you want to cover it, guard it against the sun and against the weather and stuff. Cover it with a mulch.